Are you ready for another story? The sky is falling. One day, a nut fell on Funny Bunny. Ouch! I think the sky is falling. I must tell the king. Off he went and met a hen. Henny Penny, the sky is falling. I'm off to tell the king. I'll come too, exclaimed Henny Penny. And off they went and met a cock. Cocky Lucky, the sky is falling. We are off to tell the king. Cock, I'll come too, crowed Cocky Lucky. And off they went and met a duck. Ducky Lucky, the sky is falling. We are off to tell the king. Quack, I'll come too, quacked Ducky Lucky. And off they went and met a goose. Goosy Poosy, the sky is falling. We are off to tell the king. I'll come too, insisted Goosy Poosy. And off they went and met a gander. Gander Pander, the sky is falling. We are off to tell the king. I'll come too, declared Gander Pander. And off they went and reached the palace gate. The palace gate was guarded by a man soldier. And they all screamed, Manny Panny! The sky is falling. We must tell the king. Manny Panny looked at all of them and asked them to explain. The gander looked at the goose, and the goose looked at the duck, and the duck looked at the cock, and the cock looked at the hen, and the hen looked at Funny Bunny. And Funny Bunny explained. When he was sleeping, a piece of sky fell on him. Where were you sleeping? Questioned Manny Panny. I was sleeping under a palm tree. Laughed Manny Panny. Sky did not fall on you. A nut did. Off with all of you. This is not something to tell the king. Funny Bunny, you can be really funny at times. And off they all went, thinking how funny Funny Bunny can be. And Funny Bunny thought how funny at times he can be. And that's the end of the story. Now, dear children, and anyone who's watching it, I have replaced the word said. I said, you said, they said, everyone said with other words. Can you find out through the story and write it down in the comment section and then check the description box. Did you get all of them? Here is the end. Thank you.